Hi staff, I'm going to show you how to set up what's called labels and how to filter incoming mail to drop into our labels. For example, right here I have a label on the side. It acts as if it's a folder. Google does things a little differently, so we call it a label. And this label I've named HM Staff Email. And if I click on this, I'm going to find all the mail that's been emailed to the Horace Mann staff. But there's another label I want to set up, so I'm going to use that to demonstrate. I want to get all the mail that is sent to all the staff in the district. So what I'm going to do is set up a new label. I'm going to go right down here where it says create new label and click on that, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it all staff email. There we go, and I'll hit create, and you'll see that right there it says all staff email, but in it there's nothing. So right now I'm going to go and filter my mail so that anything that was mailed to all staff is going to drop right in there. So I'm going to search for, I know Kelly had emailed us a bunch of stuff. There's one. I'm going to click on that, and there I can see that it is to the NJSD staff. So I want everything that's mailed to NJSD staff to go to all staff email, that label right there. So I'm going to click on this little disclosure triangle and go down to filter messages like this. And now I have to do some steps. It says has the list njsd.staff, okay, or staff. That's perfect. And now that's all I need. Anything that has those words in it, I'm going to try and push into that label. So I am going to, now you can figure out whatever you want from these. I don't want to mark it as red. I don't want it to skip the inbox. I want to make sure I get that. But I'm going to apply the label all staff email to it. And I don't want to delete it. I never want it to be sent to spam. And let's mark it as important. And I'm going to categorize it as personal, because I do not want it to go into some of my other categories. I can also click this box that says apply this filter to 3 matching conversations. So it's going to go back in my history and apply it. So now I'm going to create filter, and boom, if I click on all staff mail, here are the messages that have been sent to all the staff. Lastly, I'm going to add a little color to it. I think I'll choose this color right there. So now if I were to look in all my mail, maybe that pink wasn't good. I can see that it's been colored. I think I'll change that color. I want to make it stand out just a little bit more. I'll do this. There we go. That stands out, and you can see I've applied the same thing to Horace Mann staff mail right there. Also, you may notice that I have a yellow background. That's an easy thing for you to set up. If you go to settings and go to themes, and you can pick any of the handy dandy ones there. I'll set it back to what it used to be and go back to my inbox, and there you go. If you're interested in knowing how to set these different inboxes up, let me know. Maybe I'll do that in another video. Have a great day, staff.